Move aside. I wasn't. I'm after their main camp. You Wang force! Charge on through! You pricks are charging anywhere! Wang!
So maybe we should stay coordinated too. Want to pair up with the Lehua force?
I don't. Of course I can take him. It's only a sword, Meng Tian. Bring it, you loudmouth. I'll break that sword into two. No, they weren't there before. Yes, sir, General! Kicking them from behind is more than enough to tank the enemy's morale. 5 slashes ought to be plenty. Let's pull back! He was memorizing all the enemy's locations as he was riding, so the cavalry could keep on moving. Which means... strike from behind a second time, where their ranks are weakened.
PG's complaining about not doing enough fighting!
Oh, he'll get his chance. This battle will be long. We can't lose even one rider, because our cavalry is the very lifeline of this fight. Yes, the Hmong who started that fire. All of this is exactly what he wanted.
Are you sure?
I believe so. And now that they're moving in, that battlefield is about to be stained with blood.
Wang! Keep moving!
A blunder at the highest level.
Nah. We're the warring states, right?
You're right.
Wang, I heard you're commanding 2,000 troops now. Congratulations!
Shut up.
Well, I'm aiming to be a commander of 3,000 soldiers!
Oh boy, here we go again.
Soon I'll command 5,000.
5?
And the only thing higher than that is General.
General?
Farewell, Battalion Commander.
Lord Biao's army stole their thunder.
Because that one wouldn't shut up.